Hi, welcome to the Guana-Talamado-Matanzas National Estuarine Research Reserve, or the GTM Research Reserve for short. My name is Kenneth Rayner and I'm the Education Coordinator here at the Reserve. Today we're going to review a new program that we'd like to try out called Migrating Marshes. Our goal today is to show you the different parts of this program so that when you guys come out for a visit, you'll be prepared and ready to go. There are three primary stations within this program. The first station is collecting water quality and environmental parameters. We collect this information during any of our student visits. That way, any data that you guys do collect, we can make comparisons to predict what's going on in the estuary. The second is Spartina harvesting. You guys are going to get in the mud right behind me, and so please make sure that you guys wear the appropriate clothing. Don't worry about shoes because we got boots for you guys. The third is monitoring the salt marsh vegetation. So we need to monitor the plants right behind me because depending on what these plants are doing can tell us how sea level rise will affect this area. Our scientists are observing how salt marshes are reacting to global climate change. So remember, as humans burn fossil fuels such as gas in cars, we emit carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This excess carbon dioxide goes up into the atmosphere and creates this heat-trapping blanket effect, which leads to global warming, ocean acidification, and sea level rise. The plants behind me are very unique. We call it the Goldilocks effect. They don't like to grow on dry land, and they can't be completely submerged underwater. They grow in areas that are influenced by the tides. So twice a day, these plants become partially submerged due to the tides. If the sea is rising, then we predict that as the sea rises, these plants will migrate to higher grounds. So if we conduct a long-term study that tracks the plant biodiversity here in the marsh, we should hypothetically see the Spartina migrating inland. Before we get too in-depth, I'll let my colleagues explain the different stations. Remember, the three stations are water quality and environmental data, Spartina harvesting, and emergent vegetation monitoring. Select the station you'd like to learn more about. Please make sure to go through each one so that you're ready to go and hit the ground running right when you get off the bus.